Is this Switzerland? Nope. This is Phander Valley, one of Pakistan's best-kept secrets. Tucked away in the heart of Gilgit-Baltistan, Phander Valley is where silence speaks beauty and time stands still. Its crystal-clear lake looks unreal, like a painting come to life, and it's still untouched by crowds and chaos. It's peaceful, pure, and perfect. A slice of heaven, right here in Pakistan. Like the view? Then like the video, subscribe for more, and share it with the world. And tell me the beauty of this place in the comments.